University. In this video, I'm going to share how you can still act as if when you're broke. Keep watching. Back to Ford University, I'm Juliet, Master Hypnotherapist, and in this video, I'm breaking down how to really act as if to avoid overspending while you don't have any money. So if you're trying to manifest more money, this is a video that you must watch. So how do you act as if? So first I'm going to talk about what acting as if means, and then I'll break down how you can successfully do it. So 2 parts to this video. So acting as if you're new to law of attraction or manifestation, it means that you need to get into the feeling of having the money that you're trying to attract. So a lot of people get it wrong by thinking that they need to start spending like they have the money versus actually feeling like they have the money. So acting as if doesn't mean start acting like you're a successful millionaire. It means you start to think like a millionaire and make more millionaire decisions. For example, I'm on my way to becoming a millionaire. So what I'm focused on is saving my time and investing in quality partnerships and employees and contractors to help me get there faster versus me trying to DIY my way there, because a real millionaire would focus on saving time versus saving a minuscule amount of dollars. So that's just an instance of me starting to act as if I am a millionaire. And so it's in order to get to this place, you do it in 2 steps. First, these are journal questions. So first, ask yourself, who do I have to be in order to get this amount of money? Who do I have to be to make 6 figures a year? Who do I have to be to make $5,000 per month? Who do I have to be to hit $1 million in 2020? Who do you have to be? And so you think about this person. What does this person believe to be true? Does this person believe that time is money? Does this person believe that quality over quantity is important? Does this person value being on time for meetings, or value getting great client testimonials? Who is this person that has this amount of money? What do they believe? What do they value? What are their habits? Does this person wake up whenever they want, or do they wake up at 5 a.m.? Does this person take cold showers, or don't they? What does this person do? What habits got this person this money? Or what does someone who has this money already do? So it's not about spending the amount of money, it's becoming the person that has this amount of money. And then the second part, so once you identify the type of person who makes 6 figures, who has $5,000 months, who has $1 million years, then you ask yourself, how does this person feel? Does this person stress out when they don't hit a certain amount daily? Does this person micromanage people that they hire? Does this person spend their time on social media? Does this person not post every day on YouTube? How does this that was a habit. So how does this person feel, actually? Does this person feel stressed out when they don't post on YouTube? Does this person feel stressed out when they don't make this certain amount of money per day? Does this person feel like an imposter? Does this person feel like they're not worthy of this money? Or do they feel amazing? Do they feel grateful that they have this money in the bank? They feel excited because they hit their 5K month and now they're on to the next goal. What are the feelings that this person feels in the morning? What do they feel right before bed? What do they feel in the middle of the day? Ask yourself these questions and write down these feelings. And then you shift into that person. You shift into that belief system, that value system, that habit, those habits. You shift into feeling those things. Catch yourself and shift into that mood and emotion to tap into this person. And so when you start to perform the habits, have the same values, have the same belief systems, start feeling those feelings that the person that has this money has, that puts you into that person's mindset, the version of you that has this money. And when you have this mindset of someone that makes 6 figures, someone that has 5K months, someone that has $1 million years, then you start to make decisions like this person. And these decisions get you closer to this money. See how that works? So it doesn't have to be something that's up in the air that you don't feel like you have any control over, because it's actually, you have more control than you think, and it all starts with, and it's not something that's outside of yourself, it's actually something that you shift internally. So that is how you act as if, even though you may feel broke, and if you want to avoid overspending, because you don't have to spend money to actually make money, that's a myth, but hopefully that was helpful to you. If it was, please let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. I'm uploading every day this month. If you have any requests, you can also put them down in the comments. I will see you tomorrow.